Yay, you're here! It's Achko Machko time! Let's learn, laugh, and play!
In a bright and cheerful town called Healthy Town, children love to play, laugh, and have fun together every day. Achko enjoyed playing football with friends, while Machko loved skipping and dancing around the colorful playground. Everything was filled with happiness, energy, and excitement. Suddenly, dark clouds began to gather over Healthy Town. A loud rumbling sound echoed across the sky. Out of nowhere, a giant junk food monster appeared. The monster was made of burgers, chips, candy, and soda. He wanted everyone to forget healthy food and choose junk food instead. The children were surprised and didn't know what to do. Soon, many children started eating too much junk food. Little by little, their energy began to disappear. The playground became quieter. Children stopped running and playing. Some felt sleepy, others felt tired. Achko and Machko noticed that something was very wrong. Healthy Town was losing its happiness and energy. Just when things seemed hopeless, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky. Bright lights sparkled everywhere. From the rainbow came the healthy food heroes. Captain Apple arrived with strength and courage. Broccoli Blaster arrived with powerful green energy. Banana Zoom arrived with endless speed and energy. Carrot Vision arrived with bright and powerful eyesight. The healthy food heroes were ready to help Healthy Town. The junk food monster was not happy to see the heroes. He launched a giant junk food attack. Chips flew through the air. Burgers bounced across the ground. Soda bubbles floated everywhere. But the healthy food heroes stood strong. Achko and Machko bravely helped protect the children. Broccoli Blaster gathered powerful green energy. A bright green beam shot across the sky. The energy struck the junk food monster. Immediately, the monster became a little smaller. The healthy power was beginning to work. Banana Zoom raced around the monster faster than lightning. Yellow energy circles surrounded the giant monster. The monster became dizzy and confused. His junk food power started getting weaker. Carrot Vision focused powerful orange energy toward the monster. A bright beam of healthy energy filled the air. The junk food monster continued shrinking. His strength was fading quickly. Achko, Machko, and all the healthy food heroes joined together. Their healthy powers combined into one giant rainbow beam. The colorful energy filled the entire sky. The powerful beam reached the junk food monster and surrounded him completely.
Look at that! We did it!
Magical began to happen. The giant monster slowly transformed. And the burgers, chips, and candy disappeared. The scary monster became a friendly and healthy character. For the very first time, he felt strong, energetic, and happy. Healthy food had completely changed him. Healthy Town began to shine once again. The giant monster slowly transformed. And the burgers, chips, and candy disappeared. The scary monster became a friendly and healthy character. For the very first time, he felt strong, energetic, and happy. Healthy food had completely changed him. Healthy Town began to shine once again.